Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if your Bluetooth isn't working in your device Samsung A3 Core. So if you're having any problem related to Bluetooth in your device Samsung A3 Core, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix Bluetooth problem in your device.